retail price of $145. This colorful Electrolime model, which is set for release on June 18 via SNKRS, updates the structure and adds a lively vitality to the classic shape. With contemporary tooling underneath, the pair is redesigned, drawing inspiration from classic Waffle DNA. A brilliant yellow mesh foundation with shaggy green suede overlays dominates the uppers, giving the sneaker a look reminiscent of a vintage runner. While the padded mesh tongue and internal lining provide a smooth cream offset, the leather swoosh and heel tabs' bright pink accents provide a striking contrast. The retro runner is enhanced with a noticeable Air Max heel unit at the back for technical performance flair. Below, prominent rubber nubs for improved grip and a unique visual texture are featured on the exaggerated gum waffle outsole. The Nike Air Max Waffle SP Electrolime will retail for $145 on SNKRS US on June 18, 2025.